Well, you may not be shocked by the temperatures this morning, but the wind might give you a jolt.
Yeah, just get ready. It is election day, so just get ready to have that pony to tie your hair back, or a hat, or maybe extra hairspray today, huh?
Yeah, it'll probably feel a lot colder too because of that wind. That'll be the main weather story today. But this morning we're starting off in the 30s and 40s with some rain. Here's a live look at our Rangeley Weather Authority webcam over the airport. Looks pretty wet there. We have a big rain drop right here on the camera. 36 degrees there. Most of us in the 30s across the interior, 40s towards the coastline. We really haven't moved temperature-wise towards the coast and along I-95 this morning. Of course, though, rain and some mixed precip up towards the mountains of Maine and New Hampshire at 6:48. We also have a wind advisory, which will go into effect in 12 minutes from now at 7 o'clock. It will last 12 hours through 7 p.m. This is for the entirety of the state. This is the main weather story today. Winds will be out of the northwest, gusting up to 45, possibly even 55 miles per hour with the gustiest conditions this afternoon. This will also elevate the risk for power outages. So don't be surprised if you lose power or if it flickers this afternoon because of the wind. Right now it's 6:49. Winds that are out of the northwest continuous 10 to 15 miles per hour, 67 on top of Mount Washington. Mount Washington was gusting to the 90s at about 3 to 4 hours ago. We're already gusting to the 30s in Sanford, 20s up in Rangeley. So we'll keep an eye on the wind tracker, the wind gusts and the wind speeds all morning long and throughout the day too. As for the windiest conditions, once again, probably now through this evening, I think wrapping up towards sunset and diminishing overnight. Gusts up to 45 to 55 miles per hour. We have several chances of rain also in the forecast, one of them being tomorrow, another one Friday into Saturday, and again Sunday of this weekend into Monday of next week. Can't rule out some showers, some rain showers and snow showers in the mountains for today. Can't also rule out a snow squall or two, so that'll be the case up there. Clear towards the coastline, but very windy. Once again, that's main weather story today. Overnight into Wednesday morning, more clouds will move on through. We're going to wake up in the clouds, temperatures into the 30s and 40s, probably this time tomorrow morning. And we're tracking rain and snow in the afternoon. There will be a rain snow line. I'm thinking it's going to cut Oxford, Franklin, Somerset County in half near Route 2 running through Bethel, Newry. That's where we can see that transition. Anywhere south of that rain, north of that mixed precipitation and eventually snow. Temperatures into the 30s and 40s and 50s towards the coastline. This will continue overnight into Thursday morning. Snow becoming widespread, pushing up towards northern Maine. Should lead to a slippery morning commute, especially across the interior. For how much snow you can expect, the mountains, higher elevations up to 3 inches, a coating towards northern Maine. Higher peaks near the international border 3 to 6. That's going to be the same over on Mount Washington. They're expecting about 3 to 6 inches for today. So closer to a foot up there, probably towards Thursday morning. As for the next 7 days in our 7-day weather authority forecast, 50s the next couple of days. The winds picking up again out of the northwest, gusting up to 45 on Thursday. It will probably feel like the low 40s throughout the day. Friday, more clouds. Next chance for wet weather will be Friday night into Saturday morning, and then again Sunday night into Monday. That'll be for area wide. Coming up in a few minutes, one last check on our forecast. Katie and Jeff, over to you.